welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am in the same spot as my other video, but what can I do? I wanted to do this separately. I was not about to change my whole outfit and stuff for that, but yeah, so this video is about me unboxing the Canon G7X Mark II camera. I actually got the bundle. I got the bundle for $750, but I paid $600. And the bundle comes with obviously the camera, a wrist strap. It comes with a battery pack that you can charge the battery with. So it comes with a wrist strap, of course. It comes with a battery pack for the camera. It comes with a battery charger, a mini tripod, a 32 gigabyte memory card, and then an extra battery part. An extra battery pack. I cannot talk. So we're gonna do this unboxing. I am so excited. If I can open this nonsense. What kind of struggle is this? Okay. Okay, so this is the box it comes in with, and let's open it up. Whoa, this is heavy. So this is obviously the camera. This is obviously the camera. This is the tripod, the mini tripod. This is dope. People pay for this. This is the tripod. Is the extra battery or both batteries? Yeah. And then this is the SIM card that it comes in with. So let's open the camera. So there's a big ass manual. I don't know who's gonna read it. That's why we freaking have YouTube. It comes with, I think this is a warranty. Oh, it's a dealer record of my purchase. Yeah, it's a limited warranty, but I bought a warranty on it at Best Buy. So, oh yeah, so the other one was extra battery. So this is what's in the box. The camera has like a little thing that it comes in, and then we have the charger and the battery and the charger for the battery. Keep getting those things. I don't need this. I don't need the battery, to be honest. And the camera. Ooh, look at this. Yes. Fresh from Nature God. Look at this. This is so cute. And obviously it does this here. So let me just set it up real quick and I'll be right back. I am back. I have set everything up. It literally took 2 seconds. You just put the battery in the SIM card. And I wanted to show you the difference between the camera and my phone. I know this is not my usual lighting, but let me just, so the first thing it tells you to do is set the date and the time. I need my camera for, actually, let me set the date. So, oh my god, I'm gonna record. This is what it looks like right now. And then let me turn. So, this is crazy. So this is what I look like with my iPhone, and this is what I look like with the camera, even though I'm looking rough because it's been a long drive. This is what I look like with the camera. Obviously I gotta charge it, so how I look. How do I look? I'll put it side by side of what I look. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and ba-bam, this is the camera. Obviously I'm gonna have to get used to looking at the camera, not up here, because you can turn it. But yeah, this is gonna be an arm workout for sure. So this is it. Oh my god, yes. Wait, okay. Oh my god, I am, yeah, this is me looking rough. Ooh. So yeah, I'm just gonna record until this thing dies. Let me see the auto. Okay. Hoto. I'm too excited. Like, I can't believe I have this. This is crazy. I gotta get used to looking at you, not up here. But yeah, this is the Canon G7X. I hope you guys like this video. I'm recording, like, this portion is the freaking camera. So I'm just gonna end this video here. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys. Oh wait, let's do the zoom. Oh, makes a hella noise. I zoomed in too much. There we go. Wow, look at all my imperfections. Look at my double chin. All right, zoom back. Am I doing it right? Oh yeah, I am. It died. Oh, it died. Oh man. Okay. Obviously it's not charged. So anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have the opportunity to get this, oh shoot, the flash. I would suggest it. It's really good size. I have to get a case for when I travel with it, but I really like this, and I think it's a good camera to start with. I know we have the Mark III, but honestly, and the Mark III looked really good, I'm not gonna lie, but I'd like to start off with as a camera. You can start off with the iPhone obviously, but if you can afford a camera, get this. I've heard nothing but good things, and most YouTubers use this anyway. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Bye.